Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to walk you through the step-by-step process of activating and logging into your Sam's Club business account credit card. Whether you're a new cardholder or you've had your card for a while, this guide will ensure that you can access your account with ease. Step 1. Gather your information. Before you begin the activation process, make sure you have the following information handy: your Sam's Club business account credit card number, personal identification details such as your social security number or tax ID for business accounts, your email address. Step 2. Visit the Sam's Club Credit Card website. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the official Sam's Club Credit Card website. You can do this by typing in the URL or searching for Sam's Club Credit Card in your search engine. Step 3. Find the activation option. Once on the website, look for the activation option. This is usually found prominently on the home page or under the Account Services menu. Click on this option to proceed to the activation page. Step 4. Enter your card information. On the activation page, you will be prompted to enter your Sam's Club business account credit card number and other required information, such as your personal identification details. Make sure all details are entered correctly to avoid any issues. Step 5. Create your online account. If this is your first time activating your card, you'll need to create an online account. Fill out the necessary information, including your email address, password, and security questions. This password will be used for future logins, so choose something secure yet memorable. Step 6. Review and submit. Carefully review all the information you have entered to ensure accuracy. Once you confirm that everything is correct, click on the Submit or Activate button to complete the activation process. Step 7. Log in to your account. After your card is successfully activated, you can log into your account. Go back to the Sam's Club credit card website and look for the login option. Enter your registered email address and password to access your account. Step 8. Explore your account. Once logged in, take some time to explore your account dashboard. Here, you can view your balance, recent transactions, payment due dates, and manage your account settings. Don't forget that securing your account with a strong password and regularly updating it will help keep your information safe. Thank you for following along with our guide on activating and logging into your Sam's Club business account credit card. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content.